Hello again. In the last video, we talked about how the VZ Smart Planner can help you map out your entire year for your pacing guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the tool, set up the planner, customize it to fit your needs, and use it to create those essential tools like your visual chart, pacing guide, and Google Calendar. So let's dive in. First, let's install the VZ Smart Planner add-on. Open a new Google Sheet, name it, and navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type VZ Smart Planner and press Enter. Click on the VZ Smart Planner add-on from the search results. Next, click on the Install button. You will be prompted to grant necessary permissions. These permissions are required for the add-on to function properly, so let's go through them. Number 1, this permission allows the add-on to access your spreadsheets so that it can help you manage your lesson plans. It can read your data, make changes, create new sheets, and delete sheets if needed. However, the add-on will only process the data in the sheets you use with it. Number 2, this permission allows the add-on to create a new calendar every time you use this feature. Number 3, this permission makes the tool user-friendly by allowing you to click buttons to perform the functions. It also includes a help menu to provide extra information if you need assistance. After reviewing the permissions, click Allow to complete the installation. Rest assured, the add-on will only process the data in the specific sheets and calendars you use with it, and will always check with you before making any changes. Now I'm going to walk you through setting up the essential templates, the data, holidays, and lesson sheets. These are crucial for generating the outputs you'll need. If this is the first time you're using the app, I recommend using the Setup feature, which will automatically create the templates for you. To access the custom menu, click on the VZ Smart Planner icon and open the sidebar. If your app is properly installed, you should see this icon every time you open this spreadsheet. We'll start with the Setup feature. Click on the Setup button. The screen will prompt you to select the necessary sheets. For convenience, you can select the number of units you need for your lessons. After creating the templates, it's time to customize each one. The data sheet contains all your key dates and information. Make sure to set up the school start date, first lesson date, exam date, and school end date. Use the date picker to ensure the format is correct. It's crucial not to alter the text in column A. The labels must remain exactly as laid out. Please note that the planner allows for a date span of up to 5 years, so make sure to enter your start and end dates within the range. In the holiday sheet, enter the holiday name and a brief description. Use the date picker to select the start date of the holiday and specify the number of days it lasts. This sheet is for tracking any non-instructional days, including teacher professional days, snow days, school closures, or absences. If a particular day doesn't impact your instructional timeline, simply enter 0 for the number of days. You can easily modify the number of days later if your plans change. The lessons template serves as your course outline. Organize your curriculum by listing the major units in column A, followed by unit titles and subunit titles in column B. You can incorporate planned activities such as projects, field trips, reviews, and tests into your outline. Additional columns are provided for any supplementary activities or notes. Feel free to customize column headers to suit your needs. To exclude a column from the program's processing, simply enclose the header in double curly braces as shown here. Once your templates are ready, you can easily generate the visual chart. This dynamic tool provides a clear overview, aligning lessons with key dates. For a detailed understanding of the chart elements, please refer to the user manual. The pacing guide offers a clear overview of each topic's start and end dates, including summary totals. For a deeper analysis, teachers can calculate the percentage of time allocated to each unit. This data allows educators to make informed decisions about their teaching plan. Finally, creating your calendar. The calendar feature will take all your lessons and activities and create events for them. You can notify your students about what to do, which chapters to read, what labs to perform, and videos to watch. I hope the Vizzy Smart Planner will help you create a streamlined and efficient pacing guide. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out at contact@viziscience.com. Please also send us your feedback and suggestions. We love to hear from you. Bye for now.